Assalamu alaikum everybody. I think everybody are doing great, and I'm here with an electric kettle. The brand name is Miyako. It's a Malaysian brand, as far as I know. And nowadays Miyako product is very popular in our country in Bangladesh. So it's a water heater, water kettle from Miyako. The model is MK-608. খরচ কমায় সময় বাঁচায়. Oh my god. So it's the main kettle, 2 liter. It's 360-degree rotation, cordless automatic kettle MK-608, and also it's a automatic shut off, switch off. So this one is very update model. So now we come unboxing this kettle and let's see what happened next. So first maybe it's a user manual for this kettle. Yeah, user manual. Oh, what is English here? That's a good thing. Then we can find out. Yeah, it's a warranty card from Miyako. Last day I bought this kettle from my ordinary shop. Actually, in Bangladesh we have very big problem for Miyako. We don't have any renowned shop in Bangladesh, so that's why we have to go for ordinary shop. I think in future Miyako will think about their showroom or authorized sales point in Bangladesh. So here's the gun stand for kettle, and now we can unboxing this main kettle. Yeah, here it is. Really, it's a very good looking kettle, electric kettle, Miyako. Yeah, this set. Model MK-608, 220 volt to 240 volt, 50 to 60 hertz, and 2 liter, and 1850 to 220 to 2200 and 2200 watt. It's pretty good and very good quality for as a electric kettle. The watt is very high. So here's the kettle. I bought it from an ordinary shop and the price was 1450 টাকা, 1450 টাকা। গতকাল কিনেছি এটা, অলরেডি পানিও গরম করেছি, কফি খেয়েছি। So ভাবলাম let's try a review for those people who want to know about Miyako. This specific model MK-608. I think really it's a good deal for this price. 1450 is a very good deal for this type of kettle, and they provide me about 2 years warranty for this kettle. And really it's a big thing, a big issue for this type of electric product. And its size is 2 liter. It's the maximum. Yeah, it's a huge for boiling water, for tea, coffee, or the other thing, something like that thing in our daily life. So I think you can use it in your home, in your office, and that is very gorgeous looking kettle. So dear viewer, if you want, you can go for this kettle. Really it's a very good looking kettle with fiber plastic. It's a fiber, yeah, it's not plastic, it's fiber. Also it's auto shut off, switch is here. যখন পানি পুরোপুরি গরম হয়ে যাবে এটা অটোমেটিক বন্ধ হয়ে যাবে, এটা সুইচ বন্ধ করতে হবে না। It's really a good thing for this type of kettle. So thanks for watching, see you next time.